Today's first team is Usono, a medical startup rethinking the way hospitals use ultrasound today. Performing an ultrasound procedure can be difficult for doctors and technicians, causing them repetitive strain injuries. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to see a solution that will bring an end to this challenge. Your attention please for Victor Donker, representing Team Usono.
Thank you. Thank you all. So, when you hear ultrasound, most of you, and you probably thought of creating images of babies. Because indeed, ultrasound is technology to create images of internal structures, of organs, etc., in a cheap, safe, and efficient way. And therefore, ultrasound is used in many more departments, including radiology and cardiology. So let's have a look at this ultrasound operator. How long do you think that he needs to sit in this position? Is it 3 minutes? Is it 5 minutes? Is it 10 minutes, or is it only 1 minute? Well, he needs to sit in this position for 15, 20, or even longer. And sitting in this long position causes a lot of pain in your arms, especially your shoulder, your wrist. This results in the fact that you cannot create a stable image because you cannot sit in this position and hold this device at this position. And these injuries, RSI, also known as repetitive strain injuries, also results in the fact that you're not able to work. And RSI actually occurs to 80% of the ultrasound operators worldwide. 80%. And the direct cost for one ultrasound operator not being able to work is as high as $70,000 for one operator only. And the cost in the United States for RSI prevention in total is $3 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a global problem, a huge problem. What if we can bring these numbers down to zero? What if we could prevent RSI? What if we could provide the ultrasound operator with a tool to increase the image optimization? Well, please see our first product, the ProbeFix. The ProbeFix is a modular and versatile solution to fixate the ultrasound transducer to the body. And 2 weeks ago, we filed an international patent to protect our modular, spherical, and height adjustment mechanism, all in order to create the perfect position and to create a stable image. Because the doctor is hands-free, the workflow is optimized. And also, the patient comfort highly increases. So what do we get from this? Our product was developed with Van Berlo, a well-known international design firm that won over 129 design awards, including Red Dots and IF awards. And we're not only developing hardware, we're also planning to develop software to even increase our product proposition further. We include image optimization and image analysis. So what we have a great product, and not only the doctors love it, also the media already wrote a lot of articles about us. So we've had a huge traction, but it's more important to have a listen to the experiences of the real users. So please, can I have the video of Wouter van Everdingen en Maarten Kramer.
Er zijn 3 echokamers hier in het UMC waar echo's gemaakt worden. En er wordt eigenlijk op kantoortijden om het half uur een echo gemaakt. Dus je hebt een half uur voor een echo, een kwartier om hem uit te werken. En daarna wordt eigenlijk alweer de volgende echo gemaakt.
Het is natuurlijk heel vermoeiend om de hele tijd zo'n probe vast te houden. Dus dat moet je soms wel een kwartier of 20 minuten. En als je een goede positie hebt, dan kan je even uitrusten, dingen uitwerken. En dan kan je daarna eventueel weer kijken of je nog een betere positie kan krijgen. Maar ik denk dat dat zeker voordelen biedt. Dat je niet voortdurend met je ene hand bezig bent de probe te fixeren. En dat doet de ProbeFix nu voor jou. Dus dat is een groot voordeel.
So of course, Wouter and Maarten were not the only one who used our product. We've spoken with over 50 specialists, and they all love our product. They used it, and they want to use it. And actually, already 6 hospitals signed up to use our product, to validate it, and to improve it together with us. And when it's market ready, they already signed to buy our product. So with UMC Utrecht, we're continuing the diagnostic echocardiogram, as you've seen in the picture and video before. We're even doing pacemaker optimization. With Sint Antonius in Nieuwegein, we're fully focusing on its diagnostic echocardiogram. And here in Eindhoven, in the Catharina Hospital, our product is used in the catheterization lab, where the ProbeFix allows for multiple use of X-ray and ultrasound at the same time. And in the Maxima Medical Center, the ProbeFix is used in stress echocardiogram. And our product is even used in the intensive care units, not only of 1, but in 2 hospitals. So both in Rijnstate and in Erasmus MC, a product is used to monitor the blood flow in the heart over a longer period of time. So we have a great product, and already 6 hospitals signed up to use it. And with this, we're fully confident that we can sell over 1,000 pieces next year, resulting in a revenue of 2.4 million. Well, how do we do this? We need to scale fast. How do you scale fast? Well, as Guus said, you team up with an experienced partner. In our case, a company that already has 40% of the cardiology market. And in that respect, I'm super excited to announce that we've entered strategic collaboration discussions with the one and only Philips. And as their Chief Medical Officer, Jan Kimpe, said, the ProbeFix by Usono gives more control to clinicians. And therefore, it will broaden the field of ultrasound applications. And well, that's what we're doing. We're changing the way that ultrasound is used. Ultrasound market is growing with 5.9% per year. It results in a market of 4.3 billion in 2019. Philips recently released their product, the Philips Lumify, which is a portable ultrasound. Combining the power of this Lumify with our ProbeFix creates complete new use cases of ultrasound. What do we need for this? We need 250,000 euros to refine this first product, to do clinical trials with the hospitals that already signed up, and to get a CE mark on our product, to get it to the market. We allocated another 550,000 to strengthen our team, to prepare mass production, and to do our sales and marketing. And guess what? You can already invest in us today. A few days ago, we released a crowdfunding campaign on Leapfunder, and within the last 3 days only, we already raised 25,000 euros. So with this, we prepare our first steps to the global market. So who are we? My name is Victor Donker, I'm the COO. I have a background in user-centered design for medical products, and I love to work with other people. And our CTO, Jori, well, Jori is a very complete designer, and he is a genius in hands-on product development. And our CEO, Benjamin, well, Benjamin is the one with the medical background, but he's also behind our strategic and business plans, and he's the one to talk to related to investments. So we're Usono, smart ultrasound solutions. But there's one more thing. Please welcome on stage top hockey player Mink van der Weerde. So Mink wears our ProbeFix S. This product is specifically designed for sports applications. It's also modular and versatile It can be used on multiple body parts, and it gives perfect fixation, even running up to 25 kilometers per hour. So let's have a look. How does it feel?
Feels pretty good.
Yeah?
Really comfortable. You hardly feel it while running up the stage, and it's not noticeable.
That's cool. Can you maybe do some squats? I think the people can now see it on the screen, so do some squats or movement.
Yeah, of course, no problem.
So this is actually the first time, I think, that we see a muscle in motion with ultrasound. Have you ever been able to see this before?
No, I haven't. I've experienced ultrasound imaging in a static way,
Yeah.
but not in motion. No.
Okay. So what do you think this could bring for you or your doctor, your physio, and your medical staff?
I think our medical staff and us players, we can. After a game, we can in motion see what happened and what did the game do to you, and make sure we get a better training program and schedule towards our next game. So we stay fit for longer and stay in better health.
Yeah, that sounds great. I think you're a physiotherapist yourself.
Almost.
Almost, yeah. What are you going to do with it?
I think it's especially in sports and it's really interesting to see. First of all, I'll do my own course of ultrasound imaging because I'm not really into that yet. But I think it's worth a lot in seeing what happens in motion, and that's what we haven't been able to do so far, and now we can.
Well, that's great. I think that actually really summarizes the value of our first product, the ProbeFix S. This version is actually so revolutionary, as Ming says himself as well, that we're setting up a consortium because doctors, researchers don't even know yet what they can do with this. So we have a consortium with TU Eindhoven, PECE Zorg and Health, BeLife, Usono Skills and Usono Centers, and HighTech alumnus Gear to validate this. So you've seen two of our first products, the first one in the clinical setting for cardiologists, and the second one in the sports. And this is only a preview of how we're going to change the way that's ultrasound being used. So we are Usono, and now really smart ultrasound solutions.